Hey fart faces, I'm very excited about this video because in this box, in this package that arrived yesterday, I have my Enablers Outpost mystery box. That's the drum roll. This is my Halloween mystery box sent to me from Enablers Outpost. I'm going to open it up, but I just wanted to show you how it came safely packaged with some packing tape and some packing paper, but now I'm going to ruin it and rip it open. Before I open up this box, I just want to let you know that Elizabeth and Edward worked very hard on every mystery box. Mine is a bit special, also that's why it was delayed. I got some of the stuff handpicked for me because Elizabeth and Edward hired me to do some work for them, and they wanted to send me a special mystery box. So I don't know what's in here, and it might be different, well, probably will be different than other unboxings you've seen because I had stuff specifically chosen for me. So that's why. But every other creator, their mystery boxes that they got, they did not have any special treatment or anything like that. I'm just letting you know that mine did because I did some work for them, okay? So I don't want to hear it. People saying, oh, creators get special boxes. Because no, I just got a special box because I literally did work for them, so shut your pie hole. Shut your pie hole. Do people still say that? Okay. I need my scissors again. Look how it's packaged. I'm so excited. Okay. There were different sizes of mystery boxes. I honestly don't know what size this is or what size it would be, but I'm very excited. Okay, so we have some wrapping paper. Ooh! Shut up! Oh my goodness! Adult Happy Meal toy! Thank you so much, Elizabeth and Edward. Literally, we're in a group chat together and we were all talking about the adult Happy Meals. And I was like, oh, if we had that in Canada, I would totally get one. And so Elizabeth sent me one. Which one did I get? Oh my God! It's beautiful. I love him. Is he supposed to be like a chicken nugget? I love him. Thank you so much, Elizabeth and Edward. Hi, Edward. Hi. How you doing, Daddy? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. That's adorable. I love it. I love that you included that. Okay, what else is in here? Oh my goodness. Is this... I'm so excited, guys. You have no idea. I've been waiting for this for so long. Look at this. It's a little bowl. And it's resin. Is this must be a lid for it, I'm guessing. Oh my goodness, the lid is a hat. You guys, look how cute that is. That's so adorable. Thank you so much. I'm guessing that they made these. I have no idea how resin works, really. Like, I used to make necklaces and jewelry out of resin like years ago when I was like 20 or something. But this is adorable. Okay, I'm gonna put candy in here and then I'll forget that I put candy in here, and then later I'll remember and then I'll have candy and I'll thank my past self. That's so cute. Thank you so much. Okay, put that aside. Then we have a letter, beware, mystery box content spoiler. So we're not going to look at this. And then this is the mystery box itself. Make sure we're not missing anything. Nope. So we can put this down here. I'm excited. Whoa. Okay. Look at this mystery box. It's packed full of things. And I specifically did not watch other mystery box unboxings from other creators because I wanted to keep mine a surprise. So let's move down a little bit. Okay, I'm very excited. Let's see what we have here. So we have Pop Rocks, a bunch of candy, which is perfect because I need to eat candy. Zombie poop. What? Zombie poop, love it. Pop Rocks, I love Pop Rocks. Taste the Explosion. Steph, aka Drills Are a Girl's Best Friend, aka one half of Lazy River Wood Turning, has a funny story about Pop Rocks. Next time you see her, ask her about Pop Rocks. Mini cheese balls. Oh, there's a black cat. What the heck are mini cheese balls? We don't have... I've never seen these before in my life. So maybe it's an American thing. I don't know. right there. Okay. We have Monster Mash. Ooh, I'm going to eat these like right after I'm done filming this video. These are like gummies. We have a Jason Lollipop. Okay, this is kind of creepy. It's kind of creepy. Okay, you guys are like, hurry up, pass the candy. Oh, and a black cat gummy. That's so adorable. Then we have a ceramic pen cutter. So when you're cutting the clear covers of your diamond paintings, or I guess even the double-sided adhesive papers, you can use this and it won't cut through your diamond painting. I was actually going to order one of these, so this is perfect. Thank you so much. Then we have a diamond painting pen. So no, it's not a diamond painting pen. It's a pen that has a diamond on it, but it looks like a regular ballpoint pen. So that's really nice. I like the rainbow color. Ooh, we have a funnel. You can put your drills in and then funnel it into your container. I like that it's collapsible and I like that it's black. This is really cute. It kind of reminds me of something. Comment down below if you know what this reminds me of, sort of. Okay, anyways, I'll shut up now. We have a pen. Oh my goodness. OMG. Oh my God. Guys, I'm dying. I am dying. I am dead. Literally freaking dead. Look at this. It has black cats in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But there's black cats in my pen. Look. Oh my goodness. This is so gorgeous. This pen is so nice. Wow, thank you so much. I love it. This is my new favorite pen, guys. Oh my goodness. They did such a great job, and I love that it has black cats in it. And I love the purple too. Thank you so much. Okay. What else do we have in here? I see something else. A pin, a bat bee. And I'm guessing that this was custom to me because this is very on brand for me because I love bats. I have a bat tattoo and Bev Bee. So bat bee, this is adorable. Thank you so much. And if you didn't know, I actually collect enamel pins. I don't actually change mine into cover minders or anything. I just collect the pins themselves. So that is amazing. It's by Lolly Bee Pop, and it's from Threadless. So if you guys want to check that out, yeah, Threadless. Or it's from Hot Topic, licensed by Threadless. Anyways, moving on. Cute sticker. Is this chit? Oh my goodness. Sorry, this lid needs to stay down. Okay. I think this is chit. Candy corn chit version 2. Let me smell it. Does anyone actually like candy corn? I like how candy corn smells, but I don't actually like eating candy corn. Oh, that smells good though. That smells like gummies. And then this is, what is this? Outpost chit version 2. So chit is actually the Romanian word for putty. I have a package of their chit, and their chit is amazing, can confirm. Oh, look, it says Bev Bee on it. Look how big this freaking tray is. Ew! Ew! Elizabeth Edward, what is this? Ew! Ew! I'm going to put this on the sidewalk by my sister's house and scare her. Gross! Gross. Okay, sorry. Anyways, I like that it says Bev Bee on it. How did you guys do that? Oh, does it say it on the tray? Excuse me? Excuse me. Wow, okay. I've never seen a tray like this. Okay, I've seen this kind of tray, but I've never seen one with a lid on it. Okay, so then we have this. I actually have this, and I use it to clean my keyboards, but now I have one that I can use for diamond painting. We have a pumpkin, yeah, I can't even talk. A pumpkin cover minder, and it's from, oh, Ruby. I was like, Nomadic clay, that sounds so familiar, but Ruby Q actually makes these. So this is handmade clay cover minder. That's so cute. And then I'm guessing the tray is from Crafts with Crashly. You can check her out there. And Nomadic Clay, actually, she makes earrings, she makes diamond painting pens, she makes cover minders, she makes a whole bunch of stuff. If you want to check her out, there is the Etsy shop and Instagram. This is really nice. I really like this. Like, definitely I will use this. And then to empty out the drills, you just pop off this tab and then it opens up. And then when you have it full, you just put the tab back on. This is really nice, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's like really soft. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Ew! Ew! Elizabeth, why'd you send me your finger? Or is this Edward's finger? Okay, sorry. Yeah, I don't I don't appreciate this. Actually, I think I might be obsessed with it. Okay, moving on. You're like, hurry up, fast forward. We got some washi tape. I like this washi. The colors are really cute. We have an eyeball. Oh, it's actually, is it a ball? Yeah, it's a ball. I was like, does it open? But like, literally, it's a bouncy ball. That's so cool. Okay, I'm like excited over the smallest like knickknacks. And then we have, diamond painting little ornaments. So let's check these out. This takes me a second. We have some ornaments to diamond paint. I really like how this was wrapped actually really nicely because they didn't separate or anything. So kudos to them. We have a ghost. We have a witch's hat. We have a spider. We have a black cat, my favorite. Yeah. We have, what is this? An eyeball, I think. We have a bat. I really like bats. I think I said that already, but whatever. And then we have a pumpkin. And then we have like a poison skull and crossbones. That's really cool. I like this. Now my struggle will be trying to get it back packaged like they had it because I'm not that good. Okay, so we have a number of things left. Oh, we have 3 things left in here. Let's open this because we can see. I like this bag a lot. If you are getting mail from me, I'll probably reuse this. Shut the hell up. We have square glow drills. We have round glow drills. Wow, look at these. Pumpkin pimples. And they are crystal. I don't know if you'd call them crystal. Rhinestone? I don't know. Yeah, I guess they're crystal. Crystal pumpkin pimples. Crystal, it says crystal right on the things. Crystal Frankenstein boogies, cute. And crystal spider eyes. This purple is really nice. So we get all of these. Those are really nice. I like these. Thank you so much. Okay. And again, I don't know what other people got in their mystery boxes. This is my mystery box. And Elizabeth and Edward said they threw in some extra things. So I don't know what's extra and what like other people would get in their mystery boxes. So let's open this. I'm guessing this is something resin. I like the black cat sticker. We'll be keeping that. What is it? Wow! Look at this! This is so nice, guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. I love the sparkles. Wow, that's so pretty. Thank you so much. I love this a lot. I'm going to put my mug on this so I don't leave rings on my table because I'm not the cleanest girl ever. So this will definitely come in handy. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. And then we have our last thing. A little candy corn stick. Wow, what is this? Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness, cat whiskers, and there's a little pumpkin, a nice little tray. You can put whatever you want on it. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm dying. They really killed it with the resin. Like really, really, really. Like this is just gorgeous. Look how sparkly and shiny these are. Wow, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Thank you so much, guys. And I love that there's a cat because I'm a cat lady if you didn't know. So yeah, this was my mystery box from Enaber's Outpost. They do mystery boxes. they are doing a winter mystery box, and you should know that once they sell out of mystery boxes, they sell out, because these things have to be planned ahead of time, guys. So make sure you have fast fingers. You can join their Facebook group to know when their mystery boxes are being released and kind of get like a heads up. But thank you so much to Elizabeth and Edward. I really love everything that was included in it. I freaking am dying over this pen. Literally, I just spat everywhere. This pen is so cute, and the fact that it has black cats in it, like, hello, it's me. I love it so freaking much. I can't. It's perfect. So thank you so much for that. I really love Elizabeth and Edward, Enablers Outpost. Remember to be nice to small shop owners, guys, and they're just all doing the best that they can. If you are new here and you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's over here somewhere. I post new videos about diamond painting on an almost daily basis. I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you do want to get your hands on a mystery box, or diamond painting pens, or licensed diamond paintings, or drills, or whatever, diamond painting, all the diamond painting stuff, check out enablersoutpost.com, link in the description box below. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye! See my finger? Bye!